Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to make Google your default search engine on phone. You can get the power of Google and change your Android default search engine to Google. So it's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing you're gonna do is open your browser app. It could be called internet or browser. Now, on the upper right corner of the screen, tap the three dots and press Settings. Now, you can see here Search Engine. And mine is in Yahoo, UK, and Ireland. So, what I'm gonna do is press Google. So, that's it. It's already Google, the default search engine on phone. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!